to look at genetic probability, but before we do today, I'd like you to take a look at yourself. What is your hair colour? What is your eye colour? And finally, can you roll your tongue? Well, we can see that I can, but what determines if I can? The answer is inside of each and every one of my 500 million cells. And we're going to take a brief look at the mechanisms behind genetics. Inside the majority of my cells inside my body, there will be a nucleus. And inside of that nucleus is all of my genetic information. Now, genetic information will determine how I look, all of the things that I mentioned. Our genetic information is long strands of DNA. And at certain points along these strands of DNA, we have sections that are responsible for hair colour, eye colour, the ability to roll your tongue. We call these genes. Now, when cells divide, they always have what we call chromosomes. Chromosomes are these long strands of DNA coiled up so that they can be transported. In a normal cell, you will have 46 chromosomes, and they are always in pairs. So, you'll have one from your maternal mother and one from your paternal father. They always come in pairs, apart from when sexual reproduction takes place. During sexual reproduction, our sex cells, or gametes, will only have one of the chromosomes from the pair. So we can see here we have the maternal X chromosome and the paternal Y chromosome. When these two sperm cells were made, the X chromosome went to this sperm cell, and the Y chromosome went to this sperm cell. So already, the fact that you might be male or female is already being determined by which sperm cell reaches the egg first. Let's look at this in the form of genetic cross diagrams and Punnett squares.